May the 17th to the 21st is European Public Health Week, and the University of Nicosia's medical school is running a series of events that are open to the public to mark the occasion. The moderator is Cecilia Mosquera, Assistant Professor in Lifestyle Medicine at the medical school. She joins us now. Cecilia, can you very quickly just outline for us what is the idea behind this series of lectures and discussions?
European Public Health Week is occurring all throughout Europe, and different organizations and institutions are hosting it. This week there is a daily theme to align with the themes of European Public Health Week. The first one on Monday will be about communication during the COVID-19 pandemic in English, and it will be about what we can learn and how to move forward. Then on Tuesday, we will have an event about the mental health of children and parents during the COVID-19 pandemic, and this will be in Greek. We will also have an event on Wednesday, which will be about an introduction to Pilates and its benefits for health. And we're going to also have an event on Wednesday in Greek around lifestyle and how we can think about our lifestyle 1 year into the pandemic. And then on Thursday, we have an event that's related to the One Health theme. And then Friday, we're going to have an event about leaving no one behind. So it's thought about our most vulnerable during the pandemic. All events are free to join. When people want to register, all they have to do is go to the University of Nicosia Medical School webpage, and they'll find all the events there. They can register for free. They can join us. We have many partners who are participating in all these different events.
That is Cecilia Mosquera, Assistant Professor in Lifestyle Medicine at the University of Nicosia's Medical School, which is running that European Public Health Week series of events from Monday the 17th until Friday the 21st of May. Well, that about wraps up this edition of the Cyprus News Digest. Many thanks for your company. Hope you'll join me next week. Till we meet again, take care and God bless. Bye-bye now.